Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Art by Julie E, and today we're doing a cloud pearl pour using Rust-oleum's Painter's Touch. It's a white in a semi-gloss. I get it off Amazon, and I love this stuff for pearl pours. It does not disappoint, and you'll see. So this recipe is pretty simple. What I'm doing is I'm measuring out 2 parts of the Rust-oleum, then a half a part of Deco Satin Enamel. Then we're going to have 1 part Vallejo Pearl Medium. Then we're going to have 2 parts US Floetrol and 1 part GAC800. And we're going to mix that all together really, really well. And then we're going to add water to consistency. And I will slow it down here in a minute to show you what that consistency looks like. So, but first we're going to mix all the paints together really well. And then here we go, we're adding the water. All right, and it's going to look like a lot of water because it is a lot of water. And that's the scary part of it, is you're always afraid you're adding way too much water, but don't be. You're looking for a really super thin consistency that doesn't leave a trace. So when you drizzle your paint across the top of the other paint, it should disappear immediately. And when it drizzles in on a straight line, it shouldn't leave a mound at all. All right, now we're gonna go on to mixing the pouring medium we need for our colors. You're gonna want 50% Liquitex gloss medium, 40% US Floetrol, 5% GAC800, and about 5% just regular water. Okay, and then you're gonna mix that really, really well. And then you will mix your paints with that pouring medium. And yep, mix it up really, really good. And when I mean 50%, 40%, 5 and 5, it's, you know, like, I don't know, 50 grams of Liquitex pouring medium, 40 grams of US Floetrol, 5 grams of GAC800, and 5 grams of water. Is how you could do it. You know, just make your parts so that it comes out kind of like that, if that makes any sense. It makes sense to me. I don't know how I make it work, but I make it work. And then it's just going to be 1 part paint to 2 parts pouring medium. So here comes the fun part. Okay, so we've got our 16 by 20 inch deep edge canvas, and yeah, these are the colors I've mixed up. There's an Amsterdam copper. I think there's yellow ochre from Artist Loft, and oh gosh, what is that? Amsterdam, like a teal or something like that, sky blue. And then I think there's either raw or burnt umber. I always love a brown. Something about brown adds depth. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to lay down our pearl mixture, our cloud pearl base coat. And I like to create a pillow with mine, basically just a nice big puddle. I don't stretch it out completely over the canvas at first and then add my colors and stuff. I usually just like to make that great big puddle in the center and then go for my composition after that and just add my colors on top of that and then stretch them all out together, and you'll see. So yeah, the rest is pretty self-explanatory. Just by watching, you'll watch these pretty beautiful cloud pearls pop up. So let's go ahead and put on some music while we watch the magic happen. Okay? Okay. While we wait for the music to begin, don't forget to check down in my description for everybody's links for today's Thursday train. We've got Cal from Gert Creates. We've got Dave from Dave's DRH Acrylic Creations. Then we've got Just Janice. And we've got Adrian and Corey from Art's Really Cool. So I'm not sure how the lineup goes and who all has a video today, but if they have a video, their link will be down in my description. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're liking what you're seeing so far. Maybe share it with a friend, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, if you can, give a super thanks or even hype this video. It helps with the algorithms. Thanks guys, on with the music.
먼지투성이 hands are trembling right now, right now. Deep blue water sea, afraid of jumping in right now, right now. 한 발을 내밀었어, 걱정이 많이 있어. It's a bit of love, yeah. It's a little tough, yeah. 담배를 물고 있어, 생각이 너무 깊어. Wow, it's looking too deep. It's a little rough, yeah. Overthinking if I belong, but I'm where I need to be. Nobody's stopping us from flying. Don't kill this mood, just singing na 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 na. Won't make it harder for your mind. Just dancing underwater right now. I've been swimming and swimming, swimming into the deep end. I've been looking and looking, looking around me lately. I've been falling and rolling, really nothing on. Dancing up to the water right now. Moonlight shimmering, falling over me right now, right now. Yeah, 한숨을 쉬고 있어, 또 마음을 가고 싶어 난. I'm afraid of all things, and I said enough, yeah. Overthinking if I belong, but I'm where I need to be.
And here it is all dry, and I'm loving it. Now, the weird thing that happened that gives it this movement is I forgot to spray the back of my canvas to make it nice and taut and tight. And so it got a little saggy, and the paints kind of started to move towards the center. And it did. It really created this cool movement in it. You see how they're kind of elongated and stretched out in some of the cells there and stuff. And yeah, I do. I really love the movement in this. I hope you do too. Let me know what you think down in the comments if you're going to try this recipe. I'll have the link for the recipe video and everything, and all the links to the products and stuff down in my description. Till next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.
Dancing under the water.